I started my journey almost 15 years back with Tatvik, 16 years back rather. I started off as an intern back in 2011, then went on to do some other opportunity. But then eventually I joined back Tatvik almost 10 years back, sometime around January 2016. When I joined as an individual contributor, I saw Tatvik growing with me over the past 10 years. I've also grown as much and probably more with Tatvik, working with Tatvik. It has been a rewarding journey working with Tatvik, where like I said, I started off as an individual contributor, grew myself into being a mentor, then being a lead, and then heading the entire department of delivery here at Tatvik. Then, for the last 3 years, I did something with the sister company of Tatvik in the Middle East, but now I'm in the third stint of my career with Tatvik, where I am leading the entire delivery and account management operations. And this has been really a good journey with a lot of ups and downs, but more or less a rewarding experience for sure. So we've seen a lot of strategies change, but the key thing that we've always seen is the kind of growth that we have always aimed for and achieved as well. We saw certain hiccups when we had COVID, but then we pivoted to a new model of working. When we saw a certain shift in the industry, we pivoted to a new model of working. One of the key pivotal moments was also that we completed all the required partnerships with global OEM players, and we became like one of the largest partners in India for Google Premier partnership as well. So that was one of the key pivotal moments that I remember very vividly from the past 10 years of my career. So life at Tatvik is it's never ending learning for me. Like from the day one when I joined as an intern, from in 2016 when I joined as a customer success manager, or when I joined now as the CEO in 2026, the learning has never ended for me. Even today, I know that there are a number of things that I need to learn. So 40% of my time, I need to ensure that I have identified certain things for learning. So that is one key thing. And another thing is the dynamic nature of the kind of work we do. We are easy to pivot, we are easy to adapt, and we are easy to scale as well for any kind of new challenges or newer technologies that are thrown at us from the industry, from the clients for our projects. Okay, I'll give you a very classic example of the recent batch of interns that we have hired in the last month, January of 2026, where we had an entire batch of 28 interns. So that is one key element of Tatvik, that most of the successful people from Tatvik have started their journeys at an intern level. Right? Does not mean that the people who have not started as an intern level have not succeeded, but then people have grown from being an intern. There is a proper guided learning where they understand what needs to be done. They start understanding the business, they start understanding the technical responsibilities, and then eventually they nurture further more people down as juniors, and then eventually try to become the leadership, try to gather leadership roles, and then pursue leadership careers as well. This is my eighth offsite that I'm attending right now. So there have been many, but it's hard to recall. But if I were to say, we sort of, yeah, sure. So these offsites that we attend every year, we couldn't do for the last 2 years, but now I'm very glad that it is happening, because there's a huge number of people who are very new to Tatvik. Like their tenure within Tatvik is nearly 2 years or 3 years, and they did not experience something like this before. But they've always heard the legends and the stories from these offsites, that this is the kind of story or this is the kind of thing that happened at an offsite, and they keep on hearing every year. So this is kind of those annual milestone kind of an event where everyone gather as a team, everyone forgets about work. Like these 3 days are totally for fun. We plan, we come together, we celebrate together, we celebrate great achievements, we celebrate commitments from individuals to the organization, and then we also unwind and we try to connect with a lot of people. I've seen greater friendships being built not in the rooms when they were in the meeting, they were fighting for the same client, but on these offsites where they were chilling and they were having fun with each other, and they were trying to just trying to unwind and trying to share their experiences with each other. Yeah, so it's been a great experience. What we do is that It's a huge effort from the IT team, from the admin team, from the HR team to put this together. It is possibly one of the largest projects that they do every year, but it's always been a success. Like, I have never seen any of the offsites that I have been a part of that we have regretted, or we have any regrets in any kind of decisions that they had taken.